The House prosecution panel is racing against the clock as a mountain of 4,000 documents threatens to stall the pretrial conference for Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment, prompting an urgent plea for an extension to manage the massive volume of evidence. Sheila Natividad marks the full details in this report.
The House prosecution panel is seeking an extension for the marking of exhibits on the third day of the pre-trial conference. This is due to the volume of documents that need to be marked by both the prosecution panel and the defense team.
Ang hinihingi po namin hanggang Sabado sana, 4 days. So, kasi we understand na hanggang Thursday lamang ang opisina ng Senado. So, sana mapagbigyan kami na pati Biyernes at saka Sabado ay maisama po nila.
The camp of Vice President Sara Duterte has also refused to agree to common markings of documents, particularly for Article 1 of the impeachment complaint alleging misuse of confidential funds and Article 2 on alleged unexplained wealth.
Hindi siya nangyari because the position of the defense is to come up with their own marking on a separate set of documents. It makes it more time-consuming.
Luis said common markings are possible, especially when both sides share similar exhibits, but this depends on mutual agreement. What was supposed to be a fast-paced pre-trial process has now been delayed, with around 4,000 documents to be carefully marked and separate sets required for both sides. The process has effectively doubled.
But of course, we understand that because it falls within their discretion to maintain that position.
At present, 4 teams from the prosecution panel are handling the marking of exhibits, and according to prosecution member Representative Joel Chua, they are planning to add more teams. Despite the time pressure in the pre-trial conference, Chua remains confident that the impeachment trial proper for the Vice President will begin on July 6.
We remain confident at umaasa naman kami na kung wala naman po magiging aberya, tuloy-tuloy lamang po ang marking ng ebidensya.
Both sides have agreed to move forward with the trial in July. However, if the Senate does not extend the pre-trial conference, the prosecution hopes the defense will find other ways to speed up the marking process. Meanwhile, here are some of the matters being discussed for possible presentation in the impeachment trial proper. This includes the use of both English and Filipino during the trial, possible disclosure of witnesses, participation of public and private prosecutors in presenting evidence, and the possible opening of the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR box containing the Vice President's tax records, subject to court approval. Once the pre-trial conference concludes, the presiding judge will have 10 days to issue the pre-trial order before the trial proper begins, which will serve as the roadmap not only for both sides but for the entire impeachment court. Sheila Natividad, for The Nation.